Okay, smoky neutrals. Hold on. I need some gloss. So I've got my face on and my primer, but I need some gloss. I don't like having nothing on my lips. This is the Pom Pom Pink. Just to put on there, because I love how soft it is. Okay.
Next step, okay, so I've got my face on, I've got blush, foundation. For my blush I like to mix terracotta and bronze both together to, I don't know, just think it's a cute color. I like to mix them. Next,
I like my undersense to be dry, completely dry, so I usually will put that on like first. It probably doesn't take that long to dry, but you know how you just get in your routine of things. Anyways, let's get to it. I don't know what's happening, so let's do it. So, is there any color that you guys are like dying to see? Other than all of them, because they're freaking amazing. Look at them, they're so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna start with Natural Tan. So when I first start my shadows, I always put usually Sandstone Pearl on all over to just kind of even out. You can see how you have like a little darkness in your skin tone, just kind of evens everything out, gives it a great base. Also, it's great to put like a base color on if you have oily lids or anything like that, just to keep it together. Okay, so instead of Sandstone Pearl today, I'm gonna use the natural. So let's see. I'm like out of breath, you guys. It's really sad. I ran upstairs to get the gloss. Okay, there's it on my hand. You can see, it's kind of light. It looks kind of dark right there, but I'm just gonna throw some on here. So this is I'm gonna use it as my all over base. And I have like funky lighting, sorry. Just kind of evened out. Give you a great all over base to start with. Okay, I don't really know the look I'm going for, but we're just gonna play. So now that we've got that all over, I think I might put a touch more in the inner corners and not blend it as much. I might just kind of pat it. The more you blend, the softer the color is. So if you want more pigment, then you want to pat the colors instead of blend.
then you get that pigmented colors instead of blended out.
Yeah, I like that better. Okay, next up, let's do Slate. I think I was kind of most excited about this one. It's kind of a gray. It's a gray, but has like a touch of a purpley mauve undertone. So pretty. I think I'm gonna put this in the crease. And then I just like to do little dots and then blend. Hey! The Natural Tan is so pretty, Alicia. Okay. And then I'm just gonna pull over. You wanna pull your colors all the way into the inner eye to give you that depth. Hey, Trish. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it in. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so pretty. This is a great color because it will make like every eye color pop. Okay, look, can you just see how that kind of gray color makes your eyes pop? So pretty. Okay, let me swatch that on my hand for you too. Okay, so there's the Slate Natural Tan. So pretty. Okay, I'm actually really excited about these. Okay, let's see what we want to do. The next one we'll play with is Smoke Shimmer. It's like, I don't know, it's like gorgeous. It's like a smoky, kind of a brown. I don't know, let's see. I haven't opened this one yet. Let's do it. I don't know, Let's see. Ooh, you guys, I love how smooth they go on. That is, so this one has like a subtle shimmer. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I feel like it's like candied cocoa shimmer, but more intense, more deep. And I think I'm gonna love that. So I'm gonna put some more in the corner here. How's the lighting? I'm sorry, I have terrible lighting in the house right now, so. And I'm gonna use like a fluffy brush on this one. Kind of blend. Kind of just deepen that outer corner. Hey, Jillian. Okay, can you see the difference? How it just kind of deepened and pulled that out a little bit? So pretty. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions or you want me to try anything. Okay. Whoa, it's so fun, you guys. It's so pretty. I really like that. And if you know me at all, you know I always throw a color around the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna do that with this one because I love it. I just feel like it makes your eyes pop, and I love to use a shimmer. So I get some people that are so afraid of the shimmer or the glitter because they're like, I'm too old for that. It's bullcrap. You're not. It just helps give you a little pop. Just a little light reflection to give you that little pop underneath. I just kind of dot it along. And then just kind of blend them out. No, usually we'll just pull it and wrap it up with the rest so it kind of blends. Woo! What do you think? It looks exceptionally good with my white eyelashes, I think. Smokes shimmer. So now that they're kind of drying, look how freaking pretty. It's seriously like a shuttle shimmer. I almost feel like it makes it look metallic. It's not like a sparkle or anything like that. I feel like it just gives it like a metallic finish. Okay, pewter shimmer. I think we're gonna go along in here, kind of lighten it up. And again, I love the new shimmers. I just feel like they're kind of like a metallic, not shimmer. Don't be afraid of shimmer. Don't be afraid to shine, girlfriend. Okay. Woohoo. Let's see. Oh, yep. Super pretty. It's kind of like a gray mocha java shimmer. Pretty. Just gonna sit here and look at it. So I'm just gonna go right here on the inner. This is probably like super sloppy. I can't see very well. And again, I want to pat this color in because I want it to be more pigmented. I don't really want to blend it too much. Maybe just in the transition I'll blend it more, but I want more of that metallic finish, so I'm gonna pat it. Oh, guys, can you see when I get that close? Can you like see the colors? How pretty they are. I'm loving them. Better back far. I love the smoke. Like, I don't feel like I look like I have black eyes. Usually I smoke out underneath with like, my freaking favorite is cinnamon shimmer or bandana shimmer. Like, I love the reddish browns underneath. It just makes your eye color pop, but then it makes me feel like I don't have like raccoon eyes, guys. Raccoon eyes. All right. And then one thing about me, I don't always wear eyeliner. It's just an extra step, but I always notice everybody else's. I'm like, oh my gosh, their eyeliner looks so good. I'm just clearly gonna need practice, but I'm gonna do a little bit of brown, just for fun, because I'm stepping it up for you babes today. And I freaking love our pencils. If you haven't tried them yet, amaze. I'm just gonna do like a really thin line, nothing crazy, no cat eye or anything. Just gonna keep it like an everyday neutral. Look how good they go on her. It's like velvet. Okay. Another secret, if I line, I usually just tight line. And if you don't tight line, I highly recommend it. Tight lining is where you go inside your upper lash line. It just makes your lashes look more full and like you don't really see any bare spots. So it's a great tip. So, and these are perfect because they're waterproof, so you know it's gonna stay on. Can you see a difference? Or you can like right there, but just a little tip, a little tidbit. Okay. Now we'll go on to the freaking fabulous mascara. Okay. If you have not tried this mascara, you are totally missing out. You all know I wear my lash extensions for like 12 years, and this mascara has made me not want to go back. Like, I have no FOMO, I have no regrets. It's like legit magical and amazing. And what I love is that the lash serum is built in it, so it's not like I have to remember to do that. It's like it keeps those lashes looking fabulous nonstop. It's good. And today I'm gonna wear black brown. I've been wearing black brown more and more. I just love that it's not so harsh. And for me, I wear a lot of like neutral colors, so I just feel like it looks good. And I'll be honest, I've been putting it in my eyebrows. Like, so I'll do my lashes and then I use it like as gel, and it gives a little color for my brows. So 2 for 1, guys. I'm all about the ease. Maybe I'll get a mirror for this one, so you're not having to look up my nose. And then one thing that I always do with my lashes, I always kind of pull them the direction I want them to go, which I normally like to pull them out because it opens up your eyes. And I always go from like the top, from behind, and pull them. As look, you can see it grabs them and curls them up. See that? Little tip. And then just pull them out and open them. Can you guys hear my music in the background? Look at that. That's one flipping coat. One coat of mascara. It's so good. So good. Got a little more. I've been like totally into like the classical rock, like the classical music. So all of my music is like acoustics, strings, whatever, but it's all like normal pop songs. Looks good. I make my kids listen to it before school because I'm mean and don't allow TV. Looking better. We've got mascara on. Okay, I usually do, depending on the look I'm going for, like sometimes I just stick with one coat and I'm fine, but if you really want to build full long lashes, just put as many layers on as you want. I'm gonna go for 2. On the right, you can see it just keeps adding more fullness. And I get asked if I have extensions all the time. And it's like so, I don't know, like satisfying to let people like, no, they're mine. These are mine, my very own. I grew them myself. It's so satisfying to tell people that. You can have them too. I'll let you in on my secret. It's a mascara. Last thing, I'll put just a touch on my lower lash right at the base.
Just to kind of pull it all together. Okay.
There it is. There's a look. What do you think? Smoky. Now what color should I put on my lips? I've just got pom pom pink on now, but you guys, this is such a good, yeah, I'm licking my finger. Sorry about it. I'm a mom. Just comes with it. Comes naturally. Normally I just use some toothpick or some Q-tips, but it's such a pretty like everyday color. These look good on everybody. Okay, there you have it. Let me know what you think. I want to know which one you're most excited about. That's our Pewter Shimmer, Smoke Shimmer, Slate, Natural Tan. Like, so pretty.